Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to import your footage/audio into Adobe Premiere. There are many ways to import your files. One of the ways you can do this is as soon as you create your new project. You also can get to the same page by clicking on the import button in the corner if you are already in the project. To find what files you want to add, simply click through the tabs or search for the file you're looking for. The second way you can import your files is by double-clicking in the File Project Media folder, or press on the Import Media button. You also could do this by pressing Ctrl+I or Command+I if you're on Mac. The final way you can upload your files is to open up your File Explorer while Premiere Pro is still open and click and drag the footage you want into the Media folder area. These are the ways you can upload your files into your project. Keep in mind that you may want to try each of these options to see which one is most comfortable for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and other videos like these.